how close you're gonna have to come here. Like.
I remember when some of the carts are so close to you, you could literally touch.
Well, we're gonna struggle because the whole chassis moves. Look at the sides, look at the sides. The whole chassis is moving.
He ain't gonna get round.
So they're probably gonna have to move everybody back in a minute.